Hello there and welcome to volume 3 of Sean Greasley's Visual Basic Tutorials. In this tutorial I'll be discussing simple design techniques and how you can make your programs look quite nice. Okay. The first tip is to choose the size you want. You don't want a big form if you're only going to have one command button on there. You want to resize it as appropriate. Maybe add little copyright information things down here like so. So it's all in one place. Okay, the next tip is the little form one up here. As you can see, it doesn't really look very nice, does it? So let's change that using the caption command. So let's call our project whatever we'd like. Hello world. And there you can see it says hello world up here. The next nice tactic I'd like to show you is the scroll down here to border style. As you can see, it's sizable, so when we run the program the user can resize it, and that's not really what we want because we can play around with our program. We'd like to make it a little bit more secure, so change the border style to fixed single, so when we run the program they can't touch the borders at all. You'll notice our minimize and maximize buttons have disappeared, but you can put those back using the control box. That will either hide everything or put it to true to view them. And our min button, there's the max button, we can set that to true. That's disabled our minimize button until we've set that to true as well, and there we go. So the user cannot touch the borders and we have our buttons intact also. Another tip is the icon in the top left corner. We scroll to there we go, icon. Let's find a nice icon. Icons. And let's have a look. Let's have a nice anything will do. Let's try the Coke one there. And I'll put our Coke thing in our top left corner here. So when we save our project, the icon of our project will be this little Coca-Cola bottle like so. Tips when saving and compiling your project. You can make your project exe here. As you can see, if you press the options button here, you can view all little bits and pieces about the compilation of your project. As you can see, this is the icon it uses when making it, so it'll have Coca-Cola. This will be the title of your project. We want hello world as an example. And here's all the copyright information. You can put comments of your program, the company name, file description, legal copyrights, legal trademarks and product names. Each one you choose, it will wipe this text box blank so you can review what you've put and things like that. And when you come to finally compiling it, you can call it what you want and press OK and it will compile successfully. Okay, I'd just like to quickly have a look at back colours and fore colours. So if you click our form, you might be a little bit bored of the standard grey colour. We can change that using the back colour option here. You can either use system colours or palette colours. System colours differ for each computer because some computers might have highlight as black, yellow, red. So if you choose that, you might think it's blue, but on another computer, if their highlight colour is something else, then it could differ. So the best and safe option is the palette. If you use a palette colour blue, or it would not search for any system colours, it will look straight into the palette, so it will be okay. So let's have a nice light blue for that. And you can then add anything you like, say a button here. You might run into a few problems when trying to change the back colour with buttons. You might think I want a red button, like so, and it's not happening, look. But the thing you have to do is scroll down, choose style and set it to graphical. This will let you change the back colour and style of command buttons. OK, you can then change captions and anything like that. So this has been a brief tutorial on design work and manipulation to make your programs look very aesthetical. Thank you for listening, and please watch the other tutorials. Thank you.